Hey there, it's Ryan from Do Hard Money. That didn't go in, did it? That one did. Ryan from DoHardMoney.com, excited to be with you today. What we're gonna talk about is the different ways that we can be doing real estate investing. You see, there's all different ways that you can invest in real estate. You can be a passive investor or you can be an active investor. You can invest money or you can invest sweat equity depending upon what you're trying to do. Let's talk about a few of these things, okay? First off, an active investor is somebody that's participating in it. A passive investor is somebody that's actually putting up their money. They don't want to have anything to do with it. They just want to get a check in return. So those are two different ways. Passive investors could be include hard money lenders, partnering on deals where they're putting up cash but not doing the work. It could be syndication deals, so they're buying apartment complexes or other things as a limited partnership where somebody else is actually taking care of the work and those things. That's going to be a passive investor. But most of us want to be on the active investor side because we don't have a ton of cash that we want to be putting towards investment. We want to acquire a ton of cash. And so that comes down to how we're going to be doing things as an active investor. So as we talk about that, there's wholesaling, there's wholetailing, there's fix and flipping, there's BRRRR, there is rental properties. When we start getting more into the passive side, we start talking about BRRRRs and we start talking about rental properties. There's all different types of real estate that we can be doing this on, from single family to multifamily, duplex, threeplex, fourplex, and then we start getting into office, condo, warehouse, storage, multiple different ways of doing that. So the question just is what's the best way to get started? And for me, I want to make the most amount of money with the least amount of effort and the most amount of control. I want to control what's going on because that helps reduce my risk. I want to make sure I'm making as much as I can with the least amount of effort. And so it's going to come down to your strategy and your time. How much time do you have to devote towards this? What are your marketing strategies going to be? Which markets are you going in? And what are you looking for? If you're a high wage earner, you're probably going to be looking for deductions. If you're going to be doing that, you probably don't want to be doing fix and flips and getting sums of money. You probably want to be looking to do BRRRR deals or rental properties or investing as a passive investor. If you don't have a lot of cash, you probably want to be looking at wholesale deals or the partnership deals are great scenarios, or wholetailing. And you may want to be doing some fix and flip deals. Fix and flips you can get done with not a lot of money, but you've got to find a really, really good deal. And so you can find some other ways to come up with some cash, from 401k to friends and family to getting a line of credit or credit card finance that is actually being used to put into this specific property. So there's lots of ways that you can be doing those. So there's a ton of ways to invest in real estate. I think the real key to all this is taking action. A lot of people talk about becoming real estate investors, but they don't do anything. That's one of the things we do at Do Hard Money is we support people that are looking to get started or scale their real estate as a real estate investor. So check us out over at Do Hard Money. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Love to have you subscribe to the channel if you are not already. Check us out at DoHardMoney.com for more information on these types of topics and many more, and make it a very profitable day.